Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants. So here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. All right? Also, right underneath this video, there's a thumbs up button. If you can help me out on this platform, that's important on YouTube, that if you're enjoying the content, please take a second right underneath the video to press that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and then you're helping me grow on YouTube. So I'm thanking you in advance for doing that for me. All right, today we received the Boxycharm Premium Box for the month of February. I'm very, very excited to get this. There were so many items that were variations that were going to be in the boxes. So as you know, I like to get the boxes first before I go on to the pop-up sales or the add-on sales in reference to the items that could potentially be in the box. So hopefully I will get all my boxes because I get 2 base and 2 premium. And then I'll be able to see what I'm missing out on the ones that were supposed to be variations on the box, and then I'll hopefully be able to get them through the pop-up sale. In the meantime, I have already ordered from the pop-up sale already a couple of times, but it's been on items that were never going to be in the boxes, and he's constantly adding new things all the time. So make sure to double check the pop-up sale periodically during this time, because you never know, there might be something that shows up that might be of interest to you. I've also done some videos to show you what was going to be coming up, or we was going to have the BOGOs and things like that. So those videos are all listed. If you go into my videos section, you can see everything within the last few days. Those are all Boxycharm related. All right, so here we go. This is the Boxycharm box that I got for premium. My number is C2102377PM. I'll leave that down below in the description box, along with every item and what the retail prices were for this box. This box is a $35 a month box. The premium box he treats a little bit differently. When you sign up for Boxycharm, and if you want to sign up for any boxes, you all can check in my description box in the bottom part that it's an alphabetical order, all the boxes that I get on my channel, and the links are there for you to choose to use them if you want. The premium box, he's treating it like that it's a box on its own. However, with that said, you have to always start with the base box when you open up a Boxycharm account, but then you can cancel after the first month the base box and get the premium as the only box all the way through. But you can't upgrade from the premium or downgrade from the premium. And this is a $35 a month box, and it has 6 items in it. So I know the base box always has 5. So here we go. So the first item that I got was the one that I was hoping that it was going to show up, because I know it's also a variation, and I know that this item on its own came in 3 different colors. So this one is the Huda Beauty Pastel Obsessions Eye Palette, and this one, when I opened up the box, because I do open up my boxes prior to take a picture and check to make sure that everything that is in the box should be in the box, and that there's no issues with any of the products, so that I could sit down and then just go through everything with you here and play. So that's what this is here. So when I saw that I got this pastel mint, I said to myself, you know what? I have a gorgeous suede mint jacket that I used to wear all the time come springtime up north. And the weather here in Florida now has gotten really warm again. But I said, you know what? If I get this, I'm going to put it on. So that's what I did. So that's why I'm really excited to share this one, because I love the color mint. And this one is, it says, create the limited looks from a soft, pretty glam to bold runway styles. And these pigment-powered palettes containing a vibrant, a variation of 9 dreamy mattes, high shine metallics, and next generation shimmer swirls. And this is a $29 value. I enjoy the Huda Beauty palettes. I have never had the full size of them, and I think I'm going to be getting my first one ever when my Ipsy Glam X box arrives. So I'm really excited about that. But I have almost every single one of her 9 pan, and I have really, really enjoyed them. It comes in this little shell here. There is a full mirror on the top, and this is how gorgeous the colors are that are in here. So At the end of this video, I will definitely be doing some swatching, but I wanted to show that to you guys in case you've already seen it swatched elsewhere. I just wanted to show you that that was the first item that I got. The next item that I got is from Laura Mercier, and this was my choice product. And Laura Mercier was, when I started watching YouTube, that was the be-all and end-all of the loose setting powders, and it still is. So when there's an opportunity to get a product from Laura Mercier, I'm always first in line. It comes in the full, beautiful retail packaging, and it has a full mirror on the inside too. It also has a dome covering the highlighter on here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to read to you what this is all about. First, it simply says it's an ultra smooth baked face powder that provides natural color and a soft matte radiance, and it's called Highlighter 01. So I wasn't sure if this was going to be a highlighter or if this was going to be an all-over baked product. And a lot of time the baked products do come in this dome type because they usually start off, from what I've read, and I was used to watch Laura Geller, and she did a lot in Italy with these baked products where they start off on a terracotta plate. It's a cream base, and then they bake it, so it feels like a powder, but it gives you still that moisture of having a cream on your face. So it's something that I've always really enjoyed. So I'm really excited to swatch that with you guys later and see what this one's all about. So like I said, very, very excited to get that. The next item that we got was one that I wanted, and this I was really intrigued. It's not a brand that I know or anything, but I was intrigued by what the product was going to be. And when I saw the outer packaging of this, it reminded me so much of my Philosophy products. So I said, you know what, I cannot wait to get this. So this one is called Lovescript. It says Lauren Francis, and it's a décolleté and neck cream. And décolleté is just, you know, this area here and then up to the neck. And this says it's a rich probiotic leave-on mask. Really, really intriguing. So now this is something that I can take off my add-ons list, because this was one that if I didn't get it in my box, I definitely was going to purchase. It says it is a decadent, nutrient-rich leave-on cream mask that is for the delicate skin of your décolleté and neck, revealing a velvet soft texture and restores its youthful contour and tone. It's formulated with nutrient-rich rice protein. It is a pre- and probiotic complex. Its restorative extracts of white truffle, black currant, is a luxurious blend of shea and cocoa butter, heavenly essential oils. This mask makes a delicious nighttime treatment cream. This on its own is $58, and it is a brand new launch. So like I said, it looks so much like the Philosophy. This is a more textured jar than what the Philosophy is, but everything that's written on it, it just says your body is a temple, cherish it. Very, to me, very Philosophy-ish. So really, really excited to get this. And this is what the cream looks like. There's no real scent to it. It just smells like a moisturizing cream, and that's what it looks like here. So really, really excited to give this a whirl. Happy that this was in my box. I'm always happy with what's in the box, but this I was one that if I didn't get, I was definitely going to purchase on the add-ons. The next item that we got came in this glass bottle, and this one it's heavy. It says it is a Blue Aura cleansing water. It's a powerful no-rinse cleanser formulated to make cleansing quick, effective, and delicious. Energized by purifying herbs, this cleanser will sweep away dirt, makeup, and pollution in one easy step. It's specially formulated to combat skin damaging pollutants before they can take their toll. And this is a $39 value on its own. And it says it has Blue Aura, turmeric, and all of that. So that's what this looks like here. We'll see if there's a really, really heavy bottle. And then there's always that little safety on the inside. I don't have a scent that I can smell right away here, but you'll know more when you place this on. And with these type of products, I usually use a cotton pad. I dab a little bit on it, and then I use it. I'm so excited. So this is like your double cleanse. So really excited to get that. And I always use these type. The one that I enjoy the most, and I've always tried the higher end ones, and I always seem to go back to the drugstore version, is from Garnier with the pink tap. It takes off my eye makeup 1, 2, 3, be if it's waterproof or not. And I never have any of residue or that, you know, sometimes you get blurry when you take your eye makeup off. Nothing with the Garnier one. So I have definitely going to try this, and we'll see. But like I said, I'm the one that I use and I time and time go back to is the drugstore version, which is the Garnier with the pink tap. The next one is one of my all-time favorites. So if you have not had the opportunity to try this, don't think another black eyeliner. This is called from Tarte. It is the Tartiest. It's their double-ended black eyeliner. It has the felt tip on one side and the gel liner on the other, and this one is a $24 value. It says get the perfect wing every time with these gel and liquid partners in line. The best-selling vegan dual-ended eyeliner that has a waterproof liquid and a gel formula will cause some serious double takes. This product is full size and it's made just for charmers, and it's not for retail sale. I don't know why they're marking that, but that's $24. This is one of their, you know, well-known products. I don't know why they're saying it is just for charmers, but unless, they crossed off the UPC code. Maybe a couple of people have tried to, you know, give this, you know, to get their money from the retail, which I do not understand, because if people do that, the boxes aren't going to exist, and then we're not going to be able to enjoy it as much as we can. You pay $25 for a whole box, or $35 in this essence, and then you have 6 different, you know, full-size products. It's silly to do that. Anyways, I really don't understand that. It's a luxury that we are able to have access to these boxes at these prices, to be able to try such fantastic products. And the fact that there's probably a small few that try to do this, I think it's disappointing. Anyways, this is really, really fantastic. This is, you know, has been a staple in my arsenal for many, many, many years. And it is fantastic because it's not a waterproof that it's so hard to take off, but what's great about it is it also doesn't migrate or anything like that. So if you haven't tried this, this is a really, really great product. The next one that's in here is from Bali Balm. And I was one that did not receive this in the past, and I know a couple of people did. And a few times I was going to put it into my cart. And for some reason, because we were getting so many lip balms, and in my Truance bag, I also have some fantastic ones that I was sharing with you guys that, you know, I fell in love with. I didn't end up putting it in my cart, and now I end up getting to try it. So I'm really, really happy about that. So this is the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. It's an essential oil of sweet orange and coconut that gives your lip balm a tropical aroma with silky smooth consistency. It has sweet orange and is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even out your skin tone and protect against free radicals. The coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft lips, and this one is a $33 value. So really excited. Like I said, it was on my wants. I'm going to put it on my other hand because we're going to be doing some swatches on the other to see what this is all about and to see what the scent is. The scent is not a strong scent at all. I thought it would be more delish like that, but it is one of those balms that is not sticky, and it looks like it's very moisturizing. If you've had an opportunity to try this, because like I said, this a few of you have gotten in previous boxes, please leave in the comments down below what your thoughts are on this, because $33, I mean, in one of the ones that I'm enjoying that's in the True Wants Need It bags that you can get through Improving Lifestyles, and all those links are down below in the description box. All of our True Wants Need It bags are in the in Improving Lifestyles website. The one that I really enjoy is from the Wish brand, and that one on its own is $20 too. So the fact that this is $33, there's just so many essential oils and everything in there that's why these are so expensive. So like I said, if you've had the opportunity to try this, please, you know, share with me in the comments. So let's double check the Laura Mercier and see what this looks like. So we're going to just do a swirl like that. There's no scent to this either. It has a bit, like really slight highlighter. So this can definitely be used. I'm going to try as an all over, as well as if you want a faint highlighter. I think that would be really, really pretty. So really, really excited to get this. And like I said, to be able to get a Laura Mercier product, I am like over the moon. So happy about that. And then the last item that we're going to do is swatch here. Fantastic brands in this box. I mean, we got Huda, Laura Mercier, we got a new launch from this Lovescript, Tarte, which this is, I'm really, really excited that so many people are going to be able to get the opportunity to try it. And then some new brands that I'm not familiar with. So that's always exciting. So it's a really good mix. So let's do some swatching. This palette is beyond stunning. So all right, let's do the first 3. So like I said, this is a 9-pan palette. Oh yeah. I really enjoy the Huda Beauty, and pastels is so, you know, Easter, and we're just, it makes you realize, you know, that spring is right around the corner. So it's really, really exciting that these are in here. They don't seem to be as, I'm going to try to do some doubles on here so that you guys, the camera can pick it up better. But I think these are more buildable shadows. But a lot of times when the palettes are pastel palettes, that's, you know, what we're going to get. So that's the last three that are here. Yeah, it's beautiful. And that's what it looks like here. So that's everything that I got. So like I said, I am over the moon. I'm ecstatic that the boxes are starting to arrive a little earlier for me, because last month everything came very, very late. So really happy that I'll have an opportunity to try and play. And like I said, there'll be another premium and then another base box. And if you haven't seen my base box, I'll link that one down below, because that was an absolute winner too. As always, as you know, I appreciate so much you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here, so thank you. But more importantly, I always like to end my videos, because it is so important during this time that everybody continues to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care, and bye-bye for now.